What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be kind of quick, but I just want to update you guys on what I'm doing on the K24 block. I'm actually going to be painting it today. I got this Engine Enamel paint. It's a brush on, but I'm going to try it out. I've never used it before, so we'll see how this goes. But I figured it'd be a little easier and less taping and all that. As you can see, I degreased it in the other video. If you watched that, got it pretty good, but I'd like to make it look a lot more decent. And then soon we'll have the intake. I haven't decided on what intake I want to go with. I'm either going to do the Skunk 2 or the RBC and convert it for the K24 block. But I'll probably be buying that sometime this week. Then I'll be throwing that on, and I'll be putting on some of the accessories and getting everything bolted in, tightened down, almost ready to go just to set into the car. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so I just painted the block. I'm actually really impressed with this stuff. It kind of puddles like an enamel. That way when it hardens, I mean, I was using a brush and there was no streaks or nothing. It kind of smooths out on its own. I'm actually pretty happy with it. It went on good. Kind of covered all the staining and stuff that was on the block, just because we didn't hot tank this block, so a lot of it didn't come out. And I don't know how well it's showing up, but it actually came out really good. Now I'll let this sit and dry and all that, and then we'll go through all these parts, clean them up, paint them if I want to paint them, like the water pump housing and all that. We'll clean it up and then we'll start bolting some stuff on here, the accessories. I did do the pulley eliminator kit, so I will not be running power steering. I won't be running AC, just because for ease. So I did the K-Tune eliminator kit, and then I'm doing the manual rack and pinion for the subframe. It'll be the DC2 or EG subframe, so we'll be doing that. And yeah, basically I'll just start putting stuff back together, clean it up, paint it, and hopefully within a week or so we'll have this engine ready to go. I have a few more parts, like I said earlier about the intake manifold and stuff. I have a few more parts to get, and then yeah, I think we'll be pretty set to start throwing it into our swap car, getting pumped for it. So if you guys like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you want to continue seeing the build, appreciate you guys subscribing. Thank you.